So we have this new task on the particle network. I'll quickly show you how you can get this 50,000 particle network points. For this, the wallet, most of us have created the wallet with the email address or by linking our Twitter or something. So the first criteria is you need to have your MetaMask. You need to have your MetaMask wallet. So you have to disconnect this and log out and log in with your MetaMask wallet. Let me go ahead and do that right now and join now. Use MetaMask. I have to, sorry, I think I have disabled it. Okay, let me try connecting with MetaMask and let's go to points. Okay, right now, as you can see, you have this MetaMask logo. That means it is connected with the MetaMask wallet. And to get this 50,000 points, we have to go to the BAB voting chain. You have to vote for particle network. But before that, you have to get your BAB token. So how you can get it is by logging into your Binance wallet. Let me go ahead and do that right now. Give me a second. So yeah, the wallet is right now connected, like I have logged in my Binance wallet, and as you can see I have this token ID, but my wallet is a different wallet, which is the Web3 wallet of Binance. What I have to do is I have to revoke the token, and it will take 72 hours for me to revoke, but then there will be a charge of $1 as well, which would be taken from the wallet, from the funding account. Yep, that's all right. Let's go ahead and do USDC. I have some just for this. Okay, I'll confirm it right now. So once that transaction is done, I will have an option to link my MetaMask wallet here in the for the BAB token. After that, I can come here. I can just go here and vote for the project. So obviously I'll be voting for where is our particle network? There you go. You have it here. Just give some votes over here and claim your 50,000 points on your MetaMask wallet. If you're using MetaMask wallet, you just have to go ahead and do that task. And yeah, that's about it. After you're done voting, just click on verify. You should get your 50,000 points. As you can see right now, the revoke is under process for me, so I don't want to wait 72 hours to upload this video. It's fairly simple process. You can go ahead and do that, but yeah, I will post an update once the process is done and once my MetaMask has been linked. Okay, thank you, bye.